What's up, family? So a couple of days ago, I made a protein ice cream, right? And I believe Derek asked for a video on how to make it, how to make the one that I did, because he said it doesn't come out right, the consistency or whatever. So I'm gonna show you all how you can do it pretty simply and pretty quickly. So let's see how fast we can get this done. So basically, things you're gonna need: some plant milk, whichever one. I prefer you to get one that's as few calories as possible. So like almond milk or coconut milk or oat milk, whatever it may be. Nothing over 45 calories per serving, right? This one that we have, this one is 90 calories per serving. I didn't buy this, right? It's just what we got. Then we got the vanilla ice cream BBP protein powder. We got some mango chunks frozen, and then we got some pineapple mango chunks. That's it. Now you can always add more if you want. It's gonna be usually more calories. Something I usually like to use is, what's it called? Xanthan gum, which is a thickening agent, right? Makes it thicker. And sometimes I usually like to use a little bit of ice as well to expand the ice cream, but we're gonna keep this as minimum ingredients, clean as possible, just for the purposes of this video. And maybe I'll do another one, a fancier one with a food processor. I'm gonna use this little bitty old blender cup, a little bitty old thing right here, so y'all can do this if you're traveling, so there's no excuses. All right, if you want some nice treats. So I got it on grams. First thing we're gonna do, get our chunks. You know what, I think I got some down here that I'm gonna use first. I don't even need to use this. So we're gonna go for about 140 grams. If you have enough. All right, let's go 150. We got 150 grams right here. So I can actually just put this up. Now let's grab our mango, open this up, and let's do resets. Scale from 0. Let's do 85 grams of that. And you want to make sure that you're tracking this as well. And your BBP coaching app. I'm freestyling, although I'm gonna track it as soon as I'm done with it. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. Now we're gonna add our protein powder, all right? Just 1 scoop. I just still like to weigh it out, even though I know I'm only using 1 scoop. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add, it's probably good to weigh it out because that's only 24 grams versus the 30, which is, or I think it's 30. All right, 32, which is their serving size. So, just like that. All right. And now we can add our milk. Now, why do we add the milk last? Because first off, we want the fruit to be in there. And then we also want to pour only as much as needed, right? So I'm gonna add a little bit, make sure we weigh it out, blend it, and we're gonna be mixing this throughout the whole thing. So I'm gonna get like a fork, a spoon, because we're making ice cream and it's not a big container. So we're gonna have to use our elbow grease to kind of blend it, move it around, shake it up. It's gonna be a lot, but we'll get it done. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off. Reset the scale. I'm gonna start off with about 100 and let's go 175. 175 grams to start off with. I know I'm gonna need much more than that probably. All right, so I'm gonna start off by, before I even blend it, moving it around through, doing my own little shake just to get it broken down, just like that. Now let's get the blender. It's gonna be a work in progress. Let's say you do add too much milk. You can always just throw in more fruits so it can be thicker, and that's what we'll do if needed. Definitely don't think we add too much milk, but just so you all know. blender. Okay. And we're doing this so it can blend all the fruits. All right, all the fruit that's not yet blended. Let me make sure that we're still recording. Cool, still recording. Let's get back over here. Blend it up. You can still see some fruit in there. Shaking it up. And again, this can be much easier if I just use the bigger blender that we have, but I want to show you all how you can use a little bit of things, you know, use what you got to get what you need. There you go. I hear those chunks coming now. All right, I can still see some. And I'm taking a hard route. You all can make this easier. Now that I have it like this, I can see what I need to do. See that? Look at that. Got some ice cream. Now, like I said, if you want it thicker, that's good texture right there. I wonder if y'all can see that. Oh my God. This is better than the other one. Pineapple and mango with vanilla ice cream. This is heaven sent. This is everything. I will be putting this in the virtual kitchen. I don't even need to do anything else. If it is some fruit that's not already blended, you're just gonna add to it with real fruit in there. Look at that, y'all. Look at that, real ice cream. Look at that, you turn it upside down. Take that to the bank. I gotta take a picture so I can put this in the virtual kitchen. There you go.